What's going on, y'all? Khalil here. I hope you're doing well as we begin to head into the end of the month of October, which is crazy to think about. But if you are receiving this message, I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I know uh, you haven't really received any emails like this from us, but um, if you are receiving this, it's because you at one point or another tried to download our free juicing guide that maybe you found through one of our YouTube videos, like the blender versus juicing video, or maybe for most of you, you found it through the 21-day beetroot juice challenge video that we did. And so one of the things that I noticed was that for many of you, you unfortunately did not receive the file, the free resource after you submitted your info. We noticed a glitch in our email system that prevented you from receiving that. And so if that's the case for you, we sincerely apologize. That was obviously not supposed to happen. And so we just want to make it right. And so if you did receive the free juicing guide, and if, you've been using it, you found it helpful, amazing. We're so happy to know that. But for all of you, the whole purpose really of this email is, A, to make things right for those of you who did not receive the guide, and B, we want to share our latest, most updated edition of that juicing guide. So we've totally revamped the guide. We've also changed the name of it. And so it's now called the Ultimate Blender Juicing Handbook. So we wanted to make the focus of this all about making juices with your blender, because that's exactly how Adrian and I make our juices. We don't have a juicer, and maybe that's the case for many of you. You only have a blender. Maybe you don't have a juicer. And so we really just wanted to hone in on that focus for this guide, but we have added some new tips in there, some new strategies on everything from how to create your own juices. So we refined that our custom juice builder that's in there, which is a very easy to follow method that shows you how you can combine different fruits and veggies to make your own nutrient dense juices. We also have let's see, what else do we have in there? We have some more benefits and insights on the health benefits and advantages of using your blender for juicing. And we also have some other tools and strategies in there for how to batch prep your juices, and also for how to preserve your juices for a lot longer when you make them. Plus, we also have our 9 starter batch juicing recipes that were also in the previous version. So this is, again, really big updates, and we wanted to share these with all of you, and especially for those of you who did not receive that first guide, because again, that was not right. And this is our way of trying to make it right with you, because we know that you made a conscious investment in your health by trying to sign up for the first place. And so hence, here we are now. We want to share this new and improved update with you all. So in the link that you see in this email, there are multiple links where you can download the guide. As soon as you click on the link, the guide will automatically download on your phone or on your computer, whichever device you're using. So it's not going to send you to any other page or anything like that. No, we wanted to simplify and streamline this process, take some of the extra steps out of it. So whenever you click any of the links in this email, you will get that free resource immediately. And you all, I'm telling you, we feel like it's way better than the last one was, but would love to know what you all think about it. Feel free to reply to this email. Let us know. We definitely want to hear from you and see if there's anything that we can improve upon even. But that's all. Just wanted to share that and let you know as well that we have more very exciting updates on the way really soon that we're really looking forward to sharing with you. We're going to be more present with you all, our email community, because we want to build some rapport and some relationship with you. So if you're still here with us, thank you for sticking around and being patient with us. And of course, if you're receiving this and you're like, you know what, this isn't really for me, I don't know if I want to continue on in this, there is an unsubscribe link at the bottom of this email. Feel free to click on that and you can unsubscribe at any time. But if you are willing, we would love for you to stay a part of this Daily Choice Foods community, because Again, we have some great things in store, and we want to do this health journey together with you all. So, but yes, thank you. Thank you for watching this all the way till the end. And we look forward to being in touch really soon. Stay young, stay healthy, live well, friends. Peace.